Lesson number 9. The body and movement. Part A. Parts of the body. The outer part of the body is covered in skin. Too much sun is bad for your skin. So we have forehead, cheek, lips, neck, chest, elbow, waist, hip, bottom, knee, ankle, shoulder, chin, breast, wrist, thumb, heel, and toe. B. Movements with your mouth, face, and head. People breathe through their nose or mouth. You breathe in and out about 12-15 times a minute. People smile when they are happy and sometimes smile at people to be polite. People laugh at things which are funny. People sometimes cry if they are very unhappy or receive bad news. People in some countries nod their head, move it up and down to mean yes, and shake their head. The continuation is on Boosty. Please check the link under the video.